guys? This is Market Insights, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about Intuitive Machines. So we do see on Friday it was at 11.74% on the daily, $38.26. And if we do look very closely, that we do see that there is a nice cup and handle forming right there and a nice little breakout. So the only thing I'm cautious about is the volume. So just make sure the volume is, kind of going up with the candlesticks as well. Volume seems a little low, but again, shows a lot of nice strength. And we do see here also that, the whole sector is doing well with space due to, I feel like, the SpaceX IPO. So we do see the SpaceX IPO is between $1.75 to $2 trillion, which is basically the most valued IPO of all time, basically, which is nice. The only thing I would say with the SpaceX IPO is just be careful. It could get pumped up quite a bit and then dump. So be careful of IPO. Sometimes that does happen. So be cautious with Intuitive. It could get pumped up quite a bit and then it could just sell very quickly, right? So you could kind of take your profits around the time that SpaceX goes up. A good thing is that it shows Bitcoin is being strong. XRP is being strong. I know XRP kind of went for a little decline, but it's kind of showing some strength for Monday, unless something does happen. But it's showing some strength on Monday for the S&P 500. I kind of want to do a quick recap on SoundHound. So SoundHound down 1.8%. Like I said before in another video, if you have quite a bit of shares and you don't know really what to do with it, and you don't want to sell it, covered calls might be the best option for yourself, just to get some premiums, even if you only have 100 shares. Like if you do it, at $9, like, okay, whatever, it's like $10 or $20, right? Like the premiums might be a little low, but at least you're getting some money while you're waiting. So SoundHound will be a good opportunity just to do cover calls, because it's just going to hang out around $8 to $9, unless there is a catalyst. Unless there's a huge catalyst, kind of like space and data centers at the current moment, SoundHound's just going to stay where it is. But basically, everything's kind of looking good. Net went up quite a bit. SoFi's been kind of hanging out around there. Google's been going through a little bit of a correction, and but everything else is looking good. I know I had a few call options with Navitas Semiconductor like 5-6 months ago, so that one's going for a rep. Just watch out for kind of quantum computing at the moment in semiconductors. Quantum computing, they don't really have the revenue like they do with data centers and stuff. So just be cautious with that. That might be a nice, good volatile trade if you like volatile trades. But everything else is looking good. The sector's kind of mixed at the current moment. Fintech, it looks like people are rolling out of fintech and going into other sectors. But again, everything is looking kind of strong. Everything's looking good. The S&P 500 had a very strong day on Friday. The Dow, the NASDAQ, everything's going well. Bitcoin looks good. And I would say right now, just kind of hold, right? If everything's kind of green, I wouldn't really be buying other than maybe space stocks at the current moment, because everything is looking very strong. Usually buy when everything is completely, pardon my French, crap, right? So just kind of hold on right there and see what happens, right? So anyways, I hope you guys have a blessed Sunday. We have a nice upcoming week for the sector. And unless something does happen with oil or inflation, everything's going to be looking very well. But anyways, have a great Sunday and see ya.